Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I will give you the demo of new latest Hyip investment system script. So first of all, let me clear you that this is the latest Hyip Lab investment system. Its version is 3.5 and its price on Code Canyon is $200. You can search it on Code Canyon. But if you buy this script from us, you will get it on only $40. So don't worry about the price of script. Come to inbox and we will negotiate on the price. And if you want to watch the complete video, I've already made the video on this, so you can, link is in description, you can watch it, the complete video of installation, how you can list plans, how to configure emails, each and every settings I demonstrate in that video. So without wasting time, let's start this video. First of all, you can see the amazing homepage of this script. You can change everything through admin panel. As this website is with admin panel, you can control complete site through admin panel. So you can directly sign up from here by clicking sign up. This is the about section. You can click on more information to read more. So this is the investment plan section. I've list only one plan on this section. So this is only one plan, but you can list multiple plans from the admin panel. So this is why you choose Hyip Lab investment system. You can list your features in this section. So these are all the features. You can also change them. So this is a profit calculator. You can also calculate profit. This is how it works. First, create account, invest in plan, get profit. Here are frequently asked questions section. Here are what users say about us section. So these are the expert team members. As you can see, that website is on my domain name websparrow.xyz. It is newly created, so that's why I haven't inserted any pictures right here, but you can insert it through admin panel. So if you want to see how to insert this, go to and watch the other video, but before that you watch this video properly. So this is the team section and this is the latest transaction section. You can see the latest deposits. So these are the latest deposits. You can configure easy pesa and any manual local gateway. So these are the withdraw sections. So you can see all withdrawals that I have taken. So here are the top investors. So these are my accounts. So you can see their investment first, second, third, and here is get started with us today. So payment accept, latest news. You can also add blogs to this website, and here is subscriber section. So first of all, let me tell you that this Hyip script is completely 100% working with guarantee script. If you buy it from us, we will give you complete money back guarantee. So there is no issue in the script, completely 100% with license. So it is with extended license. If you buy this script, you will get license and you can host it on multiple domains, and it is for lifetime. So you can also visit these pages separately. For example, I visit about page, so it will redirect me to the about page. So you can see this. So you can also do these settings from admin panel. So now I've go to my user account and let's see how it looks like. So I just go to login page, and so I don't have an account yet, but so let's first create an account and I will show you how to create account on this. First of all, give your username. So I will give my username WebSparrow 1. So let's take a WebSparrow 1. So here's email section. So I will enter my email. After that, here you have to select your country and enter your mobile number. So I have entered my mobile number, and here you have to enter your password. So let's enter the password. So I've entered my password as, so again enter it, click on I agree, and so here mobile number already exists, so I just change the mobile number and click on register, because I have already made account on this. Now I just registering just to show you. So here it is asking that password confirmation does not match, so there will be some missing thing in the password. So let's again enter the password and click on register. So here you can see that it is asking that enter a verification code of 6 digit. So it sended verification code on my Gmail account. So let's open my Gmail account and enter the verification code. So I've just opened my Gmail. So here it comes. So here you can see that Hyip Lab, it's the verification email code. So you have to enter this Visor Lab code, this code there. So I have entered this, just copy it and paste it right here. So it is verifying it, and now you can see that here we have to enter our user data. So I will enter my first name, any name I've entered. So you have to enter your own name, so I'm just entering random things right here, but you have to enter the right things. So here is my city, so it's submit. So this is the user panel of this website. You can see two-factor authentication. You can enable or disable setting. So here is the setting of holiday, because 2 days I am making this video on holiday, so holiday setting is on, that's why it's showing it. So here are KYC unverified. So you can control this through admin panel. I will show you how you can control it. So here's a deposit section. You can see deposit balance, and here is interest balance. You can see every detail of user right here. You can see total withdrawals, referral earnings, and everything that is on website. So here you can see your details, your transactions, your everything right here. So here's your post balance, registration bonus, and other things. So go to my user dashboard, and let's see some other things. So here you can see your total investment. You can invest in different plans. So here you can just click on invest and invest in different plans. So I only have, so this $5. If you have $20, you can invest in plan. So here is how you can invest in plan. So here you can also see your investments and referrals and other settings right here. So here you can see the referrals, here you can see account, you can set your profile, enable, disable things. So you can log out from here. So now I've logged out, and let's open the admin panel of this website and see how it looks like. So I just copy this this link, and open my admin panel. So I enter admin, and I have to enter my credentials here. For example, username is admin and password is, so click on remember me and click on login. So you can see I have successfully logged in to my website. Cron job is perfectly running, and here you can see the total users of website. You can control complete site through admin panel, and you can verify emails manually if you want to, otherwise they can be verified through email. So here you can see total deposits on website. You can see everything. You can see deposit charges, total withdrawals on the websites, withdraw charges, and you can set up these things through admin panel and achieve investments, total invest, and these are some graphs of deposit and withdrawals and other transactions. So this is a dashboard, and here you can manage from plan manage. You can manage plans, you can insert plans. If you want to see how to insert plans and do these all settings, you can watch my video. The link of the complete video of installation and configuration is in description. So you can manage referrals, you can manage investment reports, manage all the users, promotional tools, payment gateways. There are 2 payment gateways, automatic, and you can also set up local payment gateways manually. So here's deposit, withdrawals, sport ticket options, and general settings. You can change site title and site color, etc. From system configuration, you can enable, disable your notification settings or email other settings. From logo and favicon, you can change site logo and other settings. So from SEO manager, you can manage SEO of site. You can do your best SEO and KYC settings. You can manage them. Here is notification setting. You can manage all your email settings and other notification settings. Here is holiday setting. Holiday is the latest feature. You can turn off profit on holidays on which you want to turn it off. So this is the complete latest Hyip investment script. So you can see there are many template options. So there are 3 templates of this website. You can see one is gold, one is investor, and one is new dark. So these are the 3 templates of this website. You can use any of the template. Now I'm using gold. So here you can manage pages. Here you can manage pages and manage all the other about section and other sections that are on your site. So you can completely change them and edit these sections through here. So here maintenance mode, GDPR cookie, you can turn cookies on off from here, and here are some system setting. So viewers, if you want to buy this script, you can contact me and I will provide you the script. So don't worry about the price of script. Come to inbox and we will negotiate on the price. And this is the latest script. there are very less people who have this script. So don't waste your time, come to inbox and buy this script. Thanks for watching this video.